Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Blackview Tab 12. Firstly, just open Play Store on both devices and download this free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree. Then select Confirm. Continue. And Allow. Now on the second one, I agree. Confirm. Continue. And Allow. In this window though, about updates, you can choose Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by tapping on OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Blackview. Now, also on Blackview, pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top. To pick multiple files at once from your category, tap on the top left corner. Then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. You can also just click on the chosen files instead. In my case, this one photo. When you're ready, after tapping on Send, click on Got it. Then decide which connection way to use. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide, selecting while using or only this time, and pointing your device's camera at this code. But you can also input this key in Input Key section and tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!